Okay, welcome back to part 2 of this mini lab, and we're going to begin where we left off, and we're going to copy a file from one share to another share, but first we need to create that second share. So we're going to create the second share, create a folder inside the share, and then copy a file to it. So let's go ahead and get started creating the second share. So we'll just make it easy on ourselves and call it second share equal to speed share 2 new AZ RM storage share. Let's try that again. New AZ storage share storage account. Context will be $ST storage account.Context. All right, let's create our share. There we go, that's better. Excellent. Now let's create a folder inside our share. Create folder inside second share. New AZ storage directory context $sign store I can't type tonight. Storage ShareName second share. Path will be speed DR2. All right, let's run that. And we're cooking. So next we want to copy a file that's in our first share to speed share to our second share, speed share 2. So copy a file from first share to second share. All right. So say start AZ storage file copy context $sign account storage account. I'll type with this one pretty good this time. Context source share name $sign share name. Then we want the path for that. Source file path speed dir / dave.ps1 is the file we're going to copy. Then we got destination share name, which would be second share. Then we have the destination file path for it, which will be, why? Hold on. Which will be speed dir2/day.ps1, and then destination context, storage account context. I think we're probably missing something. Oh no, there it is. Okay. We got our context here for our source. Okay. So speeder, I think we have it. Let's run it. And if we get an error, we'll just troubleshoot it. All right, look at that. Let's go take a look at our portal. And is that it? No, it's thought I had open. Nope, I guess not. All right, here's my resource group. I mean, my storage group. Look at my file shares here. I see my two shares, speed share and speed share 2. And if I look in here, I should not have a file in speed dir called DPS1. So looking pretty good. The next thing you want to do is create a snapshot of the first file share. We're done with the second file share. We'll just create it just for the file copy. So we'll do a $share equals get az storage share context dot storage account dot context. Whoops. Storage account dot context. Name $share name, our first share, and then $snapshot. Is equal to $share, and it's a function, snapshot. There we go. Let's try that out. And there we go. We got a snapshot. Now we could go to the portal and see our snapshot, but let's use PowerShell to list it. So list share snapshots. So we'll do a get az storage share context $storage account. Where's my, something's wrong there, context, $storage account dot, there we go, context, and we'll do a pipe, I'll do a where, the little curly bracket, $_ dot name is equal to our share name and $_dots is snapshot equal to true. End bracket. Okay, this should list our snapshot. And there it is, 4.1. Outstanding. Next, we want to test our snapshot ability. So we're going to delete the file, Dave PS1, that's in speeddir. We're going to delete it. And then we're going to use a PowerShell in our snapshot to recover it. So we must go ahead and delete a file from share1, and in this case, it's going to be Dave PS1. So remove AZ storage file, context, $ storage account context, ShareName, $ ShareName, and path is going to be, I'm just going to take it from right up here. And there we go. Let's go ahead and remove it. Let's go check that in our portal. And we'll move over to speed share 1. And our file should be gone now. So now we're going to use our snapshot that we created to restore it. So restore Dave PS1 from snapshot created a few minutes ago. All right, so we want to do a start. AZ file, storage file, copy. AZ storage file, copy. There we go. Source share. $snapshot. Source file path is going to be this here. Destination context. We $ storage account context. Destination share name will be share name, and destination file path will be the same as here. Okay, let's give it a shot. Looks like we were successful. Let's go check our share. And there it is. File restored. A job well done. I never used it. think I got a little typo here. How about that? Now let's give it a shot. Are you sure you want to perform this action? Yes. And there we go. So that just about ends our second part of this mini lab. And we want to be good little citizens and clean up after ourselves. So we're going to use the delete resource group. So we're going to say remove AZ resource group name, and what was our variable? Let's see if we got anywhere here. I think it was $sign resource group. And that would do it.